I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by Voltage, your one-stop shop for enterprise-grade infrastructure for the Lightning Network. You can spin up your own Lightning node, your own BTC Pay server, or get inbound liquidity with their Flow product. Check them out now at voltage.cloud and get up and running in minutes.
I mean, all the blood that has been shed because of this fiat system that's destroyed so many people's lives in different ways and is currently enslaving so many people. It's a judgment on that, and it is a arc for your average pleb, your average person to jump on and float atop of the judgment. See, what's happening with Bitcoin in a sense is it's actually being elevated on top of the judgment of the fiat system, is it not? It's the fiat system is being destroyed, and Bitcoin is just kind of floating there and rising with it and above it, and eventually those waters will subside and we will be in a wonderful Bitcoin standard new creation, if you will. So the parallels are unmistakable, and yeah, that's why I'm bullish. I'm bullish because of time preference in Bitcoin. I'm bullish because conviction in Bitcoin. I'm bullish because Bitcoin represents so many of the foundational principles of the Christian faith, and these things which God's word tells us to do, such as, you know, the righteous man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. You can't really do that with fiat. You know, Bitcoin allows you to do that. And so anyways, I'm just bullish on the future. Like Gandalf, I'm bullish on the bear market because it's time to build. Let's put our hammer to the nail, get some gopher wood, and build this arc.